Order filled.
Yo, what's good? What up, John? Oh, man, just getting going. Dude, I left an order in, and I don't know, the stop didn't trigger. I guess I didn't put a stop in, and I got completely hosed last night. I want no stop. Probably not the best thing to do. Oh, man. I want to see if I can request a payout here. Trying to see if I get a. I'm over the payout threshold, but they are not allowing me to request a payout. I guess the payout windows are still there for Fidias. Yeah, I guess the payout windows are still there. I can't request a payout. Fuck me, man. Just trying to get paid. Yo, what up, Sean? Yo, good morning, Donna. That's so weird, CT. Fire up the Clambo. That's freaking weird. What up? What up, Code? Dude, I heard Caveman just got kicked out of My Funded Futures. Yo, what up, bum? Caveman just got kicked out of My Funded Futures live stream. But I don't know what he did. What up, Jay Styles? Yeah, I'm over for a $2,000 payout, but I think there's still a payout window on Fadias. Bro, I don't know how. Yo, one of us. I don't know how he got kicked out. Good morning, Monet. I decided to not be a quitter. I'm back trading. I would trade one account, Sean, and just keep it reals. Just keep it one account, and that's it. You know, no need to go big. Oh, you got 3? When I'm in like a funk, I'll just get like one account, trade it for a couple days, maybe. Or I go to the cheapies, the bull nuts. I'll start trading bull nuts. I won't copy trade anymore. I'll bring my risk way down. I might not trade like a full account. Like I might just say, hey, I'm not trading my Apex accounts, or I'm not trading Take Profit Trader.
Order filled.
This is not like an A+. Oh shit, we're opening in 6 minutes? I don't like this. I didn't realize we were opening in 6 minutes. Fuck me. I'll risk $45. I didn't realize we were opening right now. Free trade. Didn't know we were opening
Order
right now.
filled.
Free trade. $20. Okay, cool. I'm out. I didn't. Yo, you know what it is? I'm so not used to streaming in the morning like this. It just threw me off for a second. Yeah, I don't get into positions right now into open. He opened up a lot of things, including your eyes. Seems like a good late night session. Bro, I talked to him until almost, I think it was 1:15 in the morning, Sean. You guys, I got on there. It was me. Dell was on there for a little bit, and I think CT was on there. And CT left, and then I stayed on for like another hour or something. I was so tired, man. I got off. It was like 1:15 in the morning, and all I could think of is like, I gotta get up at 6 a.m. And I was still in my baseball uniform, so I still had a shower and then go to bed. I was like, bro, I am exhausted. I came on, you left? Yeah, because I sat on for like 3. I was on for like 2-3 hours. I'm looking for a dump here. Yo, wifey control. Let's see what happens. I'm watching and waiting and breathing and relaxing. Let's get a oh, they were away? I have a feeling this is gonna be a dump. I was down 400 and something bucks. So the fact that I'm only down 152 is nice. I caught this short right here. So I just reduced my loss by 250. Get back at it. See what it does. Yo, Roger that. Dude, I love when the family's gone for a couple of days, man. Bro, somebody just took this flag break to the upside and then got freaking destroyed. That was the flag break, and it was like, no, no, no. That was the old fast track rug pull right there. The break to the upside sucks everybody in and literally just rug pulled. They had news. PCE was this morning, Monet. Dude, someone's definitely I want to see it come up a little bit. He calls it something? Bro. That's the rug pull right there. Let's see. It might just freaking flat out dump at open. I kind of want to take it.
Order filled. Order filled.
Whatever. What the fuck? Bro, I just took the opening range trade in a fucking miscellaneous account. What the absolute fuck did I just do? I don't even know what trade. I don't even know where the fuck I just took that in. Dude, that was so crazy. I don't even know what account I just took that in. Oh, I took it in a fucking eval and made $165. Are you kidding me? Ah! Why? Oh my god. What? Why? Why? Yo, I just got fucking revenge. Oh, I just got revenge. I kept the order in on the bottom side, and I just hit my in a funded account, 375. Oh man, that was Oh, geez. I'm not in I called the tweezer top on the hourly and got paid. Bro, I love the tweezers, man. Tweezer tops, tweezer bottoms. If you don't know what a tweezer top is or tweezer bottom, it's basically a if you get a candle that's straight down and then the next candle goes all the way back up and basically closes at the top of it. So you get like, it's almost something like this where the candle's up and then down. That would be like a kind of like a tweezer top. It's not that clean because obviously the wick and everything else, but I'm just trying to find like a true tweezer top on it. But that's, it would look something like this almost. Yo, Sean, I got it. I hit it both ways. How's that sound, Sean? I hit it both ways, dog. Eiffel Towered it in the morning. I bet you if you left it in on both sides, you can get both sides. I'm just looking. Yes. When do you take the tweezer top? So you take it when it closes, Monet. I'll show you. I'll show you. I'm just looking at this thing real quick before I bring it on the screen.
Order rejected.
All right, here's what a tweezer top is. See how you kind of have like up and down, and then you basically enter when it closes. If you get the tweezer, that's where you'd enter at basically at the close of the candle, and then it's basically a complete trend change. Kind of, you're entering here, and then your stop would be here on the bottom. You'd get in here, and your stop would be at the bottom of the candle. So you're kind of just risking the one candle worth of room. Are they going to just yank this all the way up here? So it all depends on what you're playing. Like people will play it on the 15-minute chart. People, you play it the same way. If you're playing it on the 15, you're playing it on the bottom of that of the candle of the 15-minute candle. If you're playing it, however you're playing it,
Order filled.
Is however you're playing it is the distance. So basically, You know, if you are playing the 1 minute, then it's just the 1 minute. I am in. I am in. It's on the screen, right? You guys see it on the screen? Yeah, Monet. It's all about on what time frame you are in on. I'm just moving my stops up. I would like to see it come all the way up. Yeah, it's all dependent on the time frame. So if you're playing on the 15-minute, then you got to leave a big amount of room for stops. You know, if you're playing on a
Order filled.
it's having just a little bit of trouble, and this is the 200 moving average. I just yeah. Tweezers. I think I did a video. I did a short on tweezers, actually. I think I did a short on the tweezers. I mean, it's super easy to spot. Like, it's just one candle goes up, and then the next one comes down on an uptrend. Ray, you missed out. Let's see what happens here. Woo! Dude. I think we're in for a wild ride here. I think at some point we're just going to take off and go one way or the other. I'm just watching my other screen. Watching. Nothing I'm loving. Nothing I'm McLovin right now. What up, Ted? What's crazy is it kind of feels like they're going to launch pad this thing. It feels like they're going to launch pad this thing higher. I mean, we're in this, we inverted a couple fair value gaps. I guess you'd call this a breaker. I don't really like this one, to be honest with you. That I wouldn't consider one. Yo, taking my first guess, 8 inches. Did I win? What's up, John? Doing pretty well. Started off with a win. Yo, Jim Blab, 20 centimeters. I mean, just remember, you have the end of the quarter. So they usually like making the balance sheets look better because, you know, quarterly reports and whatnot. So I wouldn't be surprised if they just grinded this up for the day back up to the highs. Wouldn't shock me one bit. The Long John metric. Yo, Nike's up 15%. Wow. Nike putting in work. That's crazy. And then MotoWave stopped working. I mean, you're up. You're up, Baba, right? Hard to complain when you're up. What up, Laird? Laird trades? Three tick stop loss. Welcome to the stream, man. Yo, I'm curious if I have to make $100 in here for a payout today. I got to go look at the stat page because I have 4 days of $100 or more right now. But I've already taken a payout with this account, so it would be my second payout. I'm curious if the consistency goes off of dude. The consistency starts over. Fuck. Okay.
Order filled.
Yo, consistency starts over on these accounts. I did not know that. Actually, 11 more days of $100 or more, and they're going to push me live.
Order filled.
$100 day, and they. I have 19 days of $100 or more. I don't know if I want to go. I am not looking at YM's Red Rocket currently. I mostly trade NQ, but I could definitely take a peek-see. I'm just
Order filled.
I want to see it target 62 possibly. Go. I want to see it push. I want to see it get out of this consolidation and expand to at least. Yeah, Flip. Yeah.
Order filled.
I smashed both ways actually, which is interesting. Took 100 ticks short on RTY. Yo, you passed 4 Fidea static accounts on the move. That's a solid day, man. They owe me $2,000. Yo, what's the deal with Fideas? They have the payout window still? I heard they're getting rid of it. I heard they're getting rid of the payout window. Is it gone yet? Or is it's gone? Yo, what up, Newts? Newts McBoots? I'm trying to lock in a freaking 5th day right here. I just need $25 more. I almost drank an old coffee from yesterday.
Order filled.
Yo, I just need $25, bro. How hard can $25 be? Yeah. Hey, man. I've gotten paid from them. Even though Fadias sounds like something you'll get Saturday night with some chick at the bar. Listen, I requested money and they paid me. So that's all I could say is, you know, I submitted a payout. I've gotten paid with them, and that's it. Do it. I don't like all the rules. Like you need to get to $54,000 on a 50K eval. Like that's not great. The payout window once a month is not great.
Order filled.
Watch it. Fucking is gonna go here. Oh, you suck.
Order filled.
Long hold time. This is going to go. I fucking know this is going to go. I can freaking feel it. Maybe we retest 28. I'll add on my funded futures if we retest 28. $10-day, yeah, but starting when though, Jim? When does that start? Because I have a $2,000 payout just fucking hanging in the wind right now. I don't know when it starts. That's my let me check my email maybe. I gotta look. I'm trying to figure it out right now. Fadias. I'm looking. I'm trying to figure it out because I want to submit it, but they won't let me submit it. Where can I find this information at? Rules, right? Rules. Payouts. Bro, I just got some crazy email. Yo, I'm not even gonna get into that shit. Sean, you want to trade? Man, they're just consolidating right here. I feel like it's gonna go, but who the fuck knows? Me too, Sean. Me too. I almost feel like it's going to tag 762. Woke up to a Bulenox 90% deal reset. Proceed to short gold. Now my face is melting off. Yo, Bulenox got you? The old Bulenox. Yo, what up, Noel? Market, don't go sideways, go side. Need cash now.
Order filled.
Whatever. If I get stopped, I get stopped. Yo, gold bust you. Dude, I fucking hate gold right now. I'm out on gold. I am so out on gold, man. You don't even know. What up, Lord? It is stalling. I definitely do not like that it's stalling. Come on, man. Just give me one big fucking green candle to the fucking upside. Break through right here. Come on. It's time to represent NQ. Here we go. Yo, I'm moving to a little bit better than break even because I do not want to sit. I don't want to lose on this trade, guys. I've said it over. The faster you can get to break even, the fucking better. Yo, you could take it off right now if you want. Like, I don't want you to feel like you got to stay in a trade because I'm in it.
Order filled.
Yo, I'm moving my fucking...
Order filled.
That's how it's done, boys. That's how it's done. Yo, you got fucking... Who got paid in here, man? Somebody, a bunch of people probably just got paid. Dude, that was so clean and easy. Not easy, but it was clean. Sean's back, baby. Sean, you back? Sean's back. Just nailed the open and you just nailed that. I'm trying to think what I want to do. It's too easy. I wish. I fucking wish. I don't even know what account this is. I think it's Take Profit Trader. Now the dilemma becomes: do I keep trading the My Funded Futures account because I can make up to $450 in here before I start getting into consistency issues. But I'm gonna have to work off that daily loss limit I hit yesterday. Stop to the tick just to explode to hit my target. Yo, I'll be honest with you, Tony G. I personally am starting to set my stops just bigger and say, you know what? When the setup comes, if you're confident it's going to happen, it will happen. You got to let it leave room to bounce around. I would go down half size, whatever you're trading, go down half size and then move your stop double. And I bet you have more winning trades. So if you trade one mini, go to 5 micros, and instead of like a 10-point stop, use a 20-point stop. So you're using half size, bigger stops, but you're still risking the same amount of money. That's the direction that I would go if I were you. Try that and see how it goes. Then you won't get wicked out, man. And try to get to break even. Like once you're like 10 points up, move to break even. Once you're at break even, you can't lose. You can let the trade move around. You can do whatever you want. But once you're at break even, it's a free trade. There's only upside. Oh, I got a funded account over here. Yo, good morning, Kyle. Good morning. See, I was kind of targeting right here. This would have been my first take profit. This would have been my second, and then I would be out of this trade to the upside. So, to me, I would most likely have moved my stops up at this point. I need to make. What's crazy is this account was down $400 this morning. Because I traded gold last night. I traded gold. I did some stupid shit last night. I was literally like, what the fuck are you doing, man? But I made back, I think it was $450. I made it all back plus 56. I'll be honest with you. If I got to get to $200 and then I'm done just to lock in a day 2 here. Yo, what up, Marco? Well, we got highs over here. Man, that's a nice move off the bottom. It's hard to grab those moves, though, off the bottom at 9:30. I wish we got the dip at like 9:45. It would have been easier because in the morning, it's kind of all over the place. Where is this account at anyways? I am going to be done with that account. Yes. Just seeing, I got some evals to play with. I'll do that later on. I should have held. Sean, I'll tell you what, man. Sometimes you just take wins just to get you back in the mindset of taking wins. And that's it. Like if you would have held and it went up and then all of a sudden it went all the way down and you took a loss, bro, that would have sent you into fucking the abyss. Take the wins, get back into winning green days, looking at the green on the screen, and that will help you out. Just looking at it. Yeah, Jaden, super clean. I don't know, all-time high markets, so I got to figure out this. We haven't. Yeah, Sean. I mean, looking at green helps you out, man. Fucking big time. Big time, big time. You know, like even if you just what I would do, what I like to do is like on a Friday, if you're up in an account like over $100, I don't trade it anymore on a Friday. I put that account to the side and I just trade another account. So no matter what, I'm locked at looking at green. Like I'm probably not going to trade this account. So at least when I look, I'm like, all right, I'm up 140 in this funded account. I don't. That's an eval. I'm locked. So whatever it is, it is. I'll just sit here and fucking, go to another account. I have to trade this one because in order for it to count for a day, I need $200 of profit. So, to me, I might take a scalp right here.
Order filled.
Let's see if I can lock my day in right here.
Order filled.
Whatever. I went to break even. Probably should have held it, but yo, what up, Scotsman? If I could scout my way some gains, I'll take that where I can get $30, $30, $30 and just get over the 200 level. I should have taken the $60 because that would put me over halfway there. And I'm not above taking $60. I'd gladly take 60. But, for me, like the trade setup was right here. We all had it on the stream. If you were here, I was in here. Other people were in here. We exploded up. We got it. Now, honestly, you'd be looking for a reversal at some point. Yeah, I love clicking the button. You're down 700. I left an order in with no. I got in and I thought I had a stop and went to go play baseball, and there was no stop. Come on, market. Yo, Caveman, if you're on the stream, you can't mention Luke's name on My Funded Futures. That's so crazy. I'm not. I don't know where Forrest went, but I guess he's gone. I didn't really know him. If you're on the stream, I really didn't know him. I only met him that one time on the stream, and he said 2 words to me. He asked me what sport I played in college. That's all he said.
Order filled.
Just fucking dump it, man. Just dump it. Let it go. I will take fucking $70. I'm just telling you guys. I will take fucking $70 all day. But if it fires down,
Order
Nope.
filled.
I was looking to scalp it to the downside. It didn't want to return to the 9. I was trying to get it to return to that purple line. Just a return to the mean. Nah, they're going to push it through. Yo, what up, Cody? Yo, Cody, I got my 100. I got my 140, but I learned a lesson. Your consistency rule starts back over. Yo, I was just trying to get a couple bucks. I'm just trying to get to $200. Scotsman. The real trade is done currently. Like there's no big trade setup for like a swing. You know, the swing would be down or some type of dip back. You know, now you kind of got to wait for a setup. So I scalp in between to try to make some money, and didn't work. What's that mean? So after you take a payout in the account, I've taken a payout in that account. So now I thought you just needed to get 5 more days of $100, but you need to also not. There's still like a 40% consistency rule from when you start. So like I made $400 in there, and then I lost $1,200. So like I'm gonna have to make a good amount of money back before I get a payout. Holy shit! Look at that. I like the return. This is what I was looking for, though. The return to the purple. I think this will continue up probably.
Order filled. Order filled.
Just taking my money. I'll take $60 here, $60 there, $50 here. I will. Yeah. I'm down in. I left an order in on Apex. Is it open? I left an order in last night on Apex, and then I got rebuilds, a ton of rebuilds. They had the $16 rebuilds. But I don't know. I have a bunch of other accounts too to trade. I wanted to get this one done for the day, and I wanted to get this one done for the day because I can get payouts. Name of the game is payouts. So if I got to finish day 2 here, and then in 3 days I can take out money. So I'm just trying to get money. I'm trying to get money there. I'm trying to get money on some Fidias accounts that I'm up on.
Order filled.
Let's see, get another fucking. Oh, just hit me right there, bro. Just up 10 points. I don't even think I need 10 points, actually. Right there. Hit it. Hit it. Let's go.
Order filled.
I'm taking it. $85. Oh, it's going to do it too. I know it's going to do it. Oh, you suck. I got no patience. I didn't want to take it out. There it is. Would have gotten it. Yo. Oh, you suck. You suck so bad. I knew it too. What up, Lee? I knew it was going to go. I just didn't want to take a loss. I'm in like full-on scout mode right now, where I'll just scout for 50, 80 bucks over and over and over again. Oh, should have just freaking held it. Why don't you guys tell me to hold it? Yeah, Mama Tick. What I didn't want to happen was I'm up 70 bucks and then I take a $70 loss and I'm like, now the account's back red. It's probably going to keep staircasing up. So if this returns back here, I might take it.
Order filled.
Oh, fuck me.
Order filled.
I accidentally just made money. I don't get why that happened. So limit buy.
Order filled.
Come on, baby. Push it. Push it. Please. Please. It's right there. Do it. Let's go. Let's go. Go. Go.
Order filled.
Yo, I just locked in that on Friday. Woo! Locked it. Day 2 locked in. 3 more days, I get a payout. Payout city. All right, next account. This is starting to look weak, though. Just FYI. This is starting to look like we might have peaked. Thanks, John. So this isn't an A+ setup or anything. I might take 3 to the downside.
Order filled.
What do I need? I need $3,400. All right. That gets me funded. Market is just calling me a freaking sissy boy. You've been losing on longs? We've gone nothing but up. We've only gone up until now. Yo, calling you soy boy? Dude, that's wild. All right. I'm going to put my stop literally right here. So this is a free trade right now. We're in free. If I get stopped, I get stopped. It's 75 bucks in this. It's just an eval. I just think if it flushes, it's going to flush. The market's calling me soy boy. Yo, I think gold is dumping today, right? Isn't gold dumping? Dude, gold is way down today. Holy shit. Bro, gold might just keep going down. Gold seems to trend. Gold might just keep going down for the day. I'm just thinking, yeah, I got oversized on eval on this bounce. I was just wondering if I had like an eval to just freaking go in on gold. Dude, what if I did this? Is there gold? There's gold micros, right? I'm not going to play this shit. I'll fucking end up losing. I'll end up losing. I'm not even going to do it. Yeah, I feel like I should play gold. What is this? Is this now? Oh, it's natural gas.
Order filled.
MGC. I just got stopped break even, I guess. Up $70. I don't know where it just went. MGC Q. Did I just fucking do that? MGCQ. Dude, this is pretty big distance though, man. These grids are $10. Play girthy hogs or sweet corn before I play gold. I might play 3 micros and just let it ride. Three micros and just let it ride. My stop would be 89. I'm trying to think what it would even work out to. I might trade micros on gold. On gold, yes. I don't know why. I just feel like gold's going to keep selling off. But I want to see it come up a little bit. I'd want to see gold freaking. It looks like it's coming up a little bit. Oh my God. My arm is killing me today. Lean hogs, baby. Lean hogs. Roll off top on the indices across the board. 3 for 3? Can't beat 3 for 3. Cannot beat 3 for 3. Yo, you think the top's in today? Dude.
Order filled.
I should have just kept my initial fucking position. The top for the next decade is in? Bro, you'd be shocked, man. How the markets in ages ago, yeah, you'd have like stagflation and shit, and the market wouldn't really go anywhere for a while. I don't think people realize that could happen. I don't think people realize that could happen. People only think it can go up. It can. I don't think we're getting 80% crash. I mean, 80% crash, bro. 80% crash. I'll be looting my neighbor's house at 80% crash. I'm just joking, but seriously though, we crashed 35% and it took us to 16.5, and people were getting super fucking worried. If we hit 14,000, they would have probably started doing some emergency rate cuts. I don't know. I know it could get really bad really fast. I would just say I think it needs a pullback. It needs a catalyst, though. Like, you need a catalyst. I thought GDP number would be a catalyst, but I don't really know what the next catalyst will be. Yo, 80% you keep in your neighbor's DoorDash? Wow, it's just gonna dump like 20 points here or something. Bro, the FOMO is definitely in on retail. I mean, I see people buying retail stocks that I'm like, bro, you're going to get smoked on that. Actually, I was looking at it before. The 4-hour chart looks bearish to me, without a doubt. I think right now is the first red candle on the 4-hour. Oh, no, it's not. It was earlier for a second. If this candle goes red and we get under 62, you can probably ride a short for a while. Under 62 on the 4 hour, this looks like shit. You know, we go red. We go red. I bet you we come back down for a little bit here. Starts. Sean's locked in today. Corey made his money. He's done for the day. Look at gold. It won. Dude, where did it end up going? Damn, look. That's why I didn't short gold. Bro, it would have just ripped me for 7 points. Where's the market volume? I got no idea. Not much. Damn, 62. We're in this breaker. I mean, in theory, this would be a bounce point. I wonder what they do. I think under 62, they sell the fuck out of this thing. Damn, Sean. Yo, Corey. What's the pivot? The pivot is at 62. I just moved my stop loss because listen, I'll take 400 and
Order filled.
I'll get back in at another trade here. What I don't want to do is keep on breaking even. Because they have the $1,200. They have the $1,200 daily loss limit in this account. So if I can work this up just a little bit here and there, and then take another big shot on a swing, that would be the thing to do. Getting a little bouncy here. Getting a little bouncy McBouncers in here. G Styles in the house. Dude, I only slept for like fucking 5 hours last night. I am exhausted. Let's see if they continue this shit down. Market don't go sideways because I need cash now. I'm just looking. Man, this isn't looking hot. Yo, the top is in. My other brother, who's a big mush, just bought stocks. The top is in. That's how I know. Once he starts buying stocks and asking what stocks to buy, once that brother gets in, the top is in. Just an FYI to everybody. The top is in. Once he says, what stocks can I buy? I'm like, bro, you are fucking late to the party. Yo, you just know when some people ask, that's like Bitcoin. When people are like, yo, should I buy Bitcoin here? I'm like, bro, where have you been the last 6 fucking months? But the fact that you're asking me right now means the top is in, dude. Once my neighbor that doesn't invest in anything is talking about Bitcoin, it's over. It's over, guys.
Order filled.
Are they going to dump it? No? Tell them to buy SQ. Yeah. They're trying to hold it here. Trying to hold it here. Yo, look. Stock's looking green, boy. Love it. Yo. The top is in, man. Fucking top's in. Come on. No, they're going to fucking stop this.
Order filled.
Yo, I'm going to take the lunchtime trade in this account, though. Lunchtime trade's been hitting. Well, here we go. Getting a little trend change here. If it can get over this 34. If it can get over this 34 right here, it's probably going to freaking rip it. Look at that. Came down on the pivot point. A 1 minute close over like 84. Holy shit. What the fuck just happened? Bro, what the fuck was that? Bro, what was that? Dude, I bet you there's something on Financial Juice. I'm looking. I'm looking at the Financial Juices loose. Something just got to be news here. Yo, the site's not even loading for me. Like the site loads, no news comes up. Anyone know what's going on here? Woo! This is a fucking pump. We're ready for third. Oh. Michigan sentiment final. Oh. That's what it was. University of Michigan sentiment final actual. I actually don't even follow that. Trump aims for trade deals with key partners in Asia in the coming weeks. Wow. Well, bro, that shit just took it to the house. Yo, are they going to give it all back up? Dude, they're going to give it all back up here. Look at this shit. That's crazy. Oh, man. Dude, rug pulling that thing. Yo, Powell's spitting on that thing. Oh, wow. Here you go. EU and US are confident they'll reach tariff deal by July deadline. That's actually really big news. EU and US are confident they'll reach a tariff deal. We might get this might
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
It's got to hold the 9 though. I'm watching it. The Yo, am I still on? Yo. Yo,
Order filled.
I'm back. I'm back. Dude, I didn't know that. Yo. Yeah, I didn't even know I went black. Oh, Luna. You could do it. You could definitely do it, man. Dude, I wonder why it went dark. I didn't lose the internet. Maybe I got too many things open on my browser. Hold on. I think I have too many browsers open. Let me shut some of these browsers off and free up some space. Dude. I'm
Order filled.
in no matter. I'm just in and I'll add a. I'm only in 2 to give me more of a stop loss drawdown on this. And if we go above here, I'll add a third one. That's where I'm at. Bro, gold is dropping again. Damn, gold is just dumping again. I have no idea what this gets me, but might as well play it, right? Let's see where gold goes. We're still hanging in here. I mean, listen, is any of this like a super A+ setup? No. I do like the news, though. Yo, give you the design knob treatment? Bro, this doesn't look so bad to be. If it can break over, it would actually look really good because MACD is low. You'd break this flag to the upside. You'd actually be able to run a little bit if they did break it. If they broke it, I would say you might see the highs here, high of this. But they can obviously just sell it completely the fuck off. Damn, they just fucking dumped it. Yo, this market is so fucking weird. We bomb Iran, market goes up. US and EU trade tariff deal, possibly down. You know what's causing it? I know what's causing it. Yo, I know exactly what's causing it. I'm fixing it right now. I'm fixing it right now, actually. Yeah, I'm fixing it all. Basically, I got too many tabs open and I'm running too much shit. And some of it's on like weird sites and it's just eating up the fucking memory. So I just shut off a bunch of browsers. Yeah, like I got Discord open. I literally have Discord open 5 different times. 5 different times I have Discord open. So I'm just getting rid of all the yeah, I'm getting rid of it all. I have too many tabs. I have about 80 something tabs open. That should fix it. Yo, what up, Jason B? Just watch for a bounce here. You're probably going to get an This is right. Probably get some type of bounce. We might overshoot VWAP to the top of this orb right here. I got my order in. Hot weekend coming? Where you at? Where are you at, man? Damn. I risked it for the biscuit. Nope, not holding VWAP. Kansas? Oh. Come on, push down right to the fucking top of the orb. Dude, you going fishing? That's solid, man. I wish I was going fishing. What are you going to catch? Come on, give a little pop. Give a little pop. What up, DBT? Come on. Come on. Just taking it fucking off. Shit day, man. Well, not shit day. Just one of those days, dude. One of those days. You love you some MILFs? Is that what you said? Do we bounce right off the top of the orb? This is the spot. Come on. Bro, my computer is all glitchy today. I wonder why that is. I'm even shutting off more shit. I don't know why it's so glitchy. I mean, who doesn't code? Let's talk about that. Who doesn't? Yo, Jason, that's hysterical, Jason. Old enough to want the Cougars now. They're older than the Mills. Bro. Yeah, I got a lot of shit running right now. I got to clean sweep it. I'm also running a lot of stuff that's not on the screen. Like, I got Quant Tower up. Yo, I got Quant Tower up. I got a whole bunch of shit up. Quant Tower, Ninja Trader. Dude, my landscaper's finally here, bro. My lawn is freaking long as hell. Come on, baby. Push it. I'll take that real quick. That would be $160. Come on. And landscaper, bro. I am killing it in the trading game. I can tell you that though. When dude, this fucking computer. I'm ready to punch this fucking computer. I am ready to punch this fucking computer. You want to see me just punch this thing? Bro, you have no idea. You have no idea how annoyed I am. I'm literally... I'm just shutting shit down at this point. Just absolutely shutting shit down. I don't think Quant Tower eats up a lot for whatever reason. I feel like Quant Tower is kind of smooth. It's Ninja Trader that eats up a lot of my shit. Check my I know. I got to check the old task manager. Yeah, gotcha. You ain't kidding. Who's here anyway? What up, Oliver? Bob the Builder's here? What up, Bob? Lenny's here. Yo, what's up, guys? Andy's in here. Yo, I need to get something that tells me all the people are in here. Just saw your look how fast I was. Oh, short. Oh, The 30-second short. Yo. I love making those shorts, man. I freaking love making shorts. They're so funny. It kind of feels like they're going to take this all the way back up. Kind of feels like we're going all the way back up to 812. Just saying. $8.12 or $8.25. Watch them bring it all the way back up. Oh, it has the makings. Oh, you're about to hit the road flip? Yo, enjoy your weekend, man. Enjoy the weekend. Probably hit 96. If we come back down to 65, I'll take a bounce off this pivot point. That I'll probably do. It'll be inside here, right off of here. I'm just watching. I'm only saying that because probably go back up and retest. $63. I said I was going to wait for 63. Instead, I FOMO'd in, and let's see what the fuck happens. When FOMOing in goes real wrong, when keeping it real goes real wrong, that's how I feel right now. I'll take a quick 60. Get this funded account back to even. Back to even on the day. I need $1.50 for that one. Look at that exit. I really want to get in at 63. I don't know if we're going to get that. I'll put my order in. I mean, the action hasn't been that great here. It fucking is what it is. It's Friday in the summer. I don't know about you guys, but today's the last day of school by me in New York. So a lot of kids are getting off early right now. And a lot of people that I know are out in the Hamptons already. You know, a lot of guys that are in the financial space are out in the Hamptons, or they're getting their kid in literally 4 minutes and they're going out east. A lot of people aren't in the office. Just throwing it out there. You've got summer school? It'd be nice if they pushed this out of this thing. It'd actually look really good. A push out of here, back up, would look really nice on the chart. Bad girls. Oh, jeez, dude. What's crazy is I had an order down here and I didn't get filled because we never touched the fucking orb. Come on, hit 96 for people in the chat. People in the chat need 96. Push it. Let's go. Up. One big fucking green candle all the way up. For the stream. Let's go. Are they not going to give you 96? You're only going to get 86? YM with new high could push NQ and ES back to equal highs at least. Yeah, that's so iffy because if you're in NQ, if you're in, like, if ES is making highs or if YM is making new highs, I'd be careful if I was in a short. I would definitely be careful if I was in a short because, you know, I'm going to get 96. I hope so. Push it up. Push it up. Oh, man. Freaking tired. Let's go. I want one of those algo candles all the way up. Just one big fucking thing for everybody. One big algo candle. I need Trump to high five the China guy. This is some slow grind, though. Nah. It still looks good as long as it holds up here. No. Watch them bring it right down and then right back up and flush out all the longs. And you'll kind of get like a quick tweezer real quick. Down and then right back up. We're going to retest the pivot here. Damn, man. This freaking price action's rough. I'm just looking at the higher time frames. Yo, on the 5. Oh! Did they not film me? Yo, you got a 3 bar on the 5. You got a 3 bar on the 5. Just an FYI. I'm going free trade here. I don't trust this shit. I had to push it to $15. I mean, what I don't like is this. So on the 5, you have this fair value gap, right? That was created. We inverted it here, came back, retested it in here, and now we're unable to get back over, and we're kind of dropping with a 3 bar. Something I'm watching. If we invalidate it, that would be really fucking bullish at 87. That would be the ultimate. I am just watching. I'm contemplating. I am contemplating. Time to ride her down. I don't know. There's things that I like to the down. I mean, I don't have a straight up move. It kind of feels like they're going to touch this. Bounced right at that 63 level. Over 87 would be nice. See, if you look at the hourly, you're just kind of drifting up on the hourly. You're not really making – it's just a drift at this point. I think it's like a low volume drift if I had to guess. Boom, boom, boom. See, that's like, come on. Kind of like something like that. I don't know, man. Let's see if they break it out. I'm at break even. It goes, it goes. If it doesn't go, it doesn't go. Oh, this is fucking sweet. This is sweet. Keep going, baby. Push it for me. Push it. Keep it going. Oh, jeez. Oh, I didn't get stopped. I followed the trade over here. I'm still in it. I got to stop at 85. I got to stop at 85. Keep going. I don't know why I just couldn't move my other stop up. Where did I get out anyways? I got out at 80. Bro, it stopped me at 86. I don't know why this one didn't stop out. Maybe because it's in micros. Micros didn't stop me out. All right, I just got stopped out. I'm out. Dude, that was a good fucking trade. The old funded account, too. All right, let's get some take profit trader juice going here. Anyone take any trades? Anyone doing anything in here? What are you guys in? Anyone take the long? Just sold it? What up, PG? Blowing combines? John, let's talk about it, man. What are you, over leveraged? CT, how are you trading after last night? Are you up today or down? Like, what are you doing? Oh, dude, that's the worst. That's the absolute worst. Blew one yesterday and it almost passed. Yo, everyone goes over leverage. That's probably if you had a guess or I had a guess, the number one thing people do is over leverage. Yo, I'm glad to see you doing good, man. That's probably the number one thing. Everybody over leverages. 4 minis, 5 minis, DCAing, adding, all that shit. Don't do it. Don't do it. Yeah, PG, I'll do that sometimes where, like, if my stop loss is 20 points and I'm 5 points away, I'll add. Dude, oh, CT, I forgot about that, actually. That was right here, wasn't it? CT, you got in at like 781, 782, and you took it up, right? You keep DCAing, that will get you. DCAing get you smacked around. Yeah. it's not a good idea to DCA, to be honest with you. Just like PG said, anytime I'll DCA is almost when I'm about to get stopped out of the position. When I'm just about to get stopped out of the position, I'll sometimes add. And if it turns around, it obviously is great. Or I just DCA'd and I'm taking a really small loss on it. Yeah. Yeah, that's true, Sean. If you're DCAing a lot, you should probably wait to get in. The entry's probably bad. That's probably real true. That's very true, actually. Yo, I'm playing today. Let's see if we can get out of this flag to the upside. I'm just looking for a quick move up for a couple shekels. I'm if I can get $80, I'll probably be out. Just trying to get a little money here. It feels like we can just pop it real quick. Yo, you're so close to your 96, Jason. What up, Waldo? So close. Let's go. Let's go. Push it. Give me 5 points. I refuse to take a loss, by the way. I'm out. I refuse to take a loss. I know there's an order block right above here. I have no idea, CT. I didn't even talk. Trump is talking right now? Hold on to your accounts. What up, James? What's Trump actually talking about? Is there like a topic he's covering, Laird? I know, but I can't stream that live plus this live plus all my trading shit. Oh, man. Right now, he's talking about big pharma. Yo, you got it, Jason. Boom. Dude, it was such a good pump. It was such a good pump. Moon helmet time. Bro, I wish I was in it still. Got to be in it to win it. Dude, he just talks about whatever he wants, man. It's crazy. He don't care. I mean, what does he care about? Yo, what up, Dan Henderson? Brian Zero. Yo, what up, Arnold? Oh, my shoulder, man. Yeah, I got out of my long at 83. No. '83 was a little early. But listen, profit's profit, man. Cove, waiting for update. $1,200 from Take Profit Trader. Do I? Your account is $1,200 over the buffer, Sulman. If it's over the buffer by $1,200, take the money out. Definitely take the money, man. I always take the money. Yeah, take the money, man. Go request it right. You'll be able to request it tonight after 10 o'clock. Bro, is this guy going to blow this fucking leaf blower in my face? I mean, how fucking close are you going to get, bro? Yo, all the way up. You'll request it at, say, 10 o'clock. It'll probably be approved. So, I don't know about Fridays, but on a normal, on a normal day, you'll request it at 10 o'clock. They'll approve it within an hour to 3 hours. And then you just send it to your account. It'd be super quick. Got one eval busted at the bottom. Yeah, it happens, man. What up, Samboy? Yeah, normally you get it like if you request it at 10 at night, you'll have it the next day in your account, in your bank account. But being that it's Friday, I don't really know. You'll have it by Monday. I definitely have done it Friday, but I forget. I definitely have requested on Friday. That's because I'm going from account to account. These aren't even live accounts. These are all super old accounts. I had this eval. I locked this in for another day. I locked in a Topstep account over $200 today for day 2. I just wanted to take it off the screen because it eats up bandwidth. Too many things going on. Damn, what the fuck did he say? Dropped basically almost $1. It's just grind for I'll be honest, what I'm looking for is a sweep above here and then to come back through. Long, we got long earlier, Waldo. I was long on this break right here. I was long. I got long here. Look, $225. I got long here. And then I got in again up here in another account and then got stopped for a small gain. But yeah, if you weren't in here, I don't know. Should have been on the stream. I don't know. It was pretty, I don't want to say easy, but you broke the trend. You bounced off the 200. Looked like it wanted to go. Yeah. I must have found the big stockpile of Diddy oil. Bro, I saw those pictures at Diddy's house, man. It's crazy. He's got oil and Astroglide, bro, like bottles and bottles of it, like a ton of bottles. I mean, a ridiculous amount of bottles. Oh. They're crazy, man. Good. Dude, it's just going up. It's going for it. This shit just keeps grinding. All in all, I think price action was pretty good today. It wasn't like terrible. I mean, the trade of the day was off rip. Nothing more crude than a Diddy party. Bro, Trump is still not on. Somebody is talking, but not him. Is it one of Biden's doubles that they've had? One of his body doubles? Dude, about to rip this shit. The next turn, I should just go all in. Just do an all-in fucking slammer jammer. I'm going to watch for the sweep. That's what I'm watching for. The auto pen guy. Yo. I'm watching for the sweep. I would love to see it come up and then back through. Yeah, I don't follow it enough, CC. I just think it's funny. I just find it all to be funny. I think they're all crooks. I can't believe these guys in Congress are allowed to be in there for like no like amount of term limits or anything. Like they're in there forever, some of these guys. And it's like they're all trading on inside information. It's fucking wild. Lord, you thinking all-time highs here? All the way up? All the way up. Nothing could stop it. All the way up. Yeah, you have an auto peen? Bro. Corruption? Who's the king of corruption? Dude, Nancy Pelosi is the best stock picker in the world. I didn't, because she just knows stocks. She just knows stocks. And it's so blatant. The best is when she doesn't buy it, her husband buys it. And there's been instances where he's bought companies that she's on the board if they get approval for government contracts. And she's like, yeah, we don't talk about it at home. It's like, so he just happened to buy it 2 weeks before you guys fucking approved it. Like, I think one of them was Microsoft. So he bought Microsoft 2 weeks before they approved a huge government contract to Microsoft. He just randomly woke up one day. I was like, hey, I'm going to invest in this 2 weeks before you guys approved it. Yeah, Walter, I think it's going to come back. I mean, look at the 4 hours. I mean, it's just running. I mean, we've literally been running from, I don't know, about 5% up without much of a pullback. And honestly, it looks like it's going to keep going. Doesn't look like he wants to pull back. If you and your wife did that, SEC would be very interested. Oh, I know. Yeah, the IPO preferred position. Yeah. All super shady. It's as shady as you can get it. What up, Sheba John? What's up, Vicious? It's all shady. The problem, the crazy part is no one does anything about it. I don't understand. I just don't understand. In 40 points, we got all-time highs. Do you guys think we're going to get all-time highs? Here we go. Revenge Buddha. Speaker Johnson basically said they need to be allowed to inside trade because they haven't had a raise in so long. Get the fuck out of here. That's crazy. That's as wild as you get it. Good old Chuck is probably up there with Nancy. Nah, Ian, we're not at all-time highs. You're not, you got to adjust. I'll show you. So here's the daily. It looks like all-time highs, right? You have to, every time they switch the contracts, it adjusts. You got to hit this. There's a button here. I'll show you the button. Oh, it's not on my. So down here, there's a button. It says bid. It adjusts for contracts. See, we're at 872. Is all-time highs. What up, Cube? Yeah, you got to adjust for the contracts. Because when you go from like December, like when the contracts flip over every quarter, the price gets adjusted. So that's why you got to hit this adjustment. Believe me, it got me at first also. And then I was like, oh shit, I didn't hit the button. The QQQs. Yeah, the Qs are at all-time highs. I do not know how that all works, to be honest with you, like the pricing. But the NASDAQ is what they all go off of. We're just shy of it though. I think we're gonna get it. Yeah, they should be banned. It's crazy that they don't ban them. It's absolutely ridiculous. Yeah, I'm looking at futures. I mean, the Qs are at all-time highs. It's crazy. Trump is on? Oh shit. I used to trade the Qs all the time. All the time. Honestly, this looks like it's going to ramp. Trump is speaking. Yo, I am the fucking trend killer, bro. This thing is trending the whole fucking time. I get in literally at the top. Straight up trend killer. Dude, what's Trump gonna say? Trump's gonna say, to the fucking moon! Watch him walk on stage with a moon helmet on. What do you do then? Do you just fucking buy? Remember when Trump told you to buy stocks? Like fucking 15% ago in the market? That was crazy. Trump telling people to buy stocks. Wild. Absolutely fucking wild. That should have been your key to just go long. Trump told you to buy stocks. Just go long. Trend killer. Trend killer. Dude, he said buy stocks in a fucking tweet, I think, or he was on stage and he told everybody to buy stocks. That is wild. It doesn't get wilder than that. Telling you everybody. Ah, dude, he fucking got me, CT. Dakota's long. Fuck. He just put the whammy on me. He just whammied me. I mean, this could definitely bounce off the 34. I would not. Honestly, I would not short this personally. If we get back over 15, I'm going to go back in. I'm actually going to go back in now. Fuck it. I'm going to hold this, especially with freaking Trump talking. Yeah. I got to give it breathing room. I'm sure a lot of people are trying to short here under the 9 and whatnot. I'm waiting for him to say one good thing and have this pop like fucking, just a massive algo candle up. Massive algo candle. He says something like, I don't know. Anything really positive. Damn, it's almost 12 o'clock. They're talking about ICE. Oh, man. I am freaking Wait, the media starts at. Oh, geez, Sean. That's when it gets real interesting. All right. I'm going to go grab lunch. If you want to support the stream, use coupon code COVETRADER below. I'm going to go in the Discord. Yo, do you guys want to stream live in the Discord today? I'm going to go stream live in the Discord today at 1 o'clock. How's that sound? The Discord's free. If you want to join, the Discord is free. Oh, dude, I should go grab that roast beef bum. I'm going to stream at 1 o'clock in the Discord. If other people want to join, here's the link. The link's in the description of the video. But I'm going to stream there from 1 to 2 probably. Maybe other people that want to share their screen, you can share your screen. You can raise your hand to talk if you want to talk. It's pretty open platform. So if you want to join, I'm going to put the freaking link in here right now. I'm going to shoot for 1 o'clock. I just got to go grab food. There's the link. Other than that, if you're not on the Discord, I'll see you. I'll see you. What do you call it? At 2:15. All right. Peace.